Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So friend, here is a big update. You can say breaking news which is coming from the Cognizant team. Finally, Cognizant team has started sending the all remaining pending offer letter for all the candidates. Okay, from the batch of 2022 to 2020 batch. Okay. So in this video, we will also share some screenshot also so that you can easily get to know what type of mail you are going to receive in the upcoming days as per your phase. Okay, because you like it's not possible for the Cognizant team that will send all offer letter in a one. No, they will send offer letter in phases, so you have to wait for your turn. Okay, so let's see what type of mail. Okay, so this is a big relief from the Cognizant team for all the students. Okay, so here you can see on my screen, this is a mail containing a heading that certified skill development internship 23 update CSD. Okay, so you can see, dear, as discussed, owing to the overwhelming response that we have receiving toward the internship survey, we are planning to implement capability development for some of the students through certified skill development program CSD. Okay, which is structured in a similar line of internship program. This program will ensure that student learning experience is enhanced with a comprehensive curriculum milestone based on stipend performance evaluation at a Cognizant facility as per the preferred location chosen by them. The program will commence in phase subject to course completion. Duration of the program varied from 3 to 4 months. Okay, so basically the program which is going to be completed in the for the CSD internship program is 3 to 4 months. Okay, the skill mapping. Request you to discuss the important change in internship with the introduction of CSD program with the student in detail and set expectations with them. They would receiving relevant communication in this regard in the forthcoming weeks. Please find attached details of the CSD program and assignment of the CSD internship for the selected student. For further query, please reach out to the mail mentioned किया गया है. Okay, so basically this is a mail regarding your CSD. As you know that before going to join a Cognizant full-time employment, you have to go through a CSD or you can say internship program. After completing your internship, you have to give one interview called SME evaluation interview. You have to clear the SME evaluation for the same. And if you're not clearing the SME evaluation, then you are not going to be a full-time employment in the Cognizant, and they will be terminate you. Okay, so you have to complete your CSD and internship program within a 3 to 4 months, and after that you have to complete a project, and also you have to complete a SME evaluation interview. After that you are able to join a company as a full-time employment. Otherwise they will going to reject you. Don't worry, they will provide you a stipend also during your 3 to 4 months of training. Okay, it's not like that, like they will be giving you unpaid internship like a Wipro. No, they will be giving you an internship like stipend. Okay, so and next here you can see, okay, LOI rollout and internship survey for opt for location preference 25th November. We are here. Internship offer letter communication on the skill track mapping and internship joining date early January 2023. Okay, and this is a very important mail. See what they mention. Congratulations and welcome to the Cognizant family. Attached a soft copy of the offer letter. We are sure that there will be a mutual value add in the beginning of your association with Cognizant. You will receiving a mail from the Cognizant team that within 24 hours to enable your access to the onboarding portal in which you have to accept the offer letter and complete the pre-joining formalities. In case of additional query or concern, you can raise a query at this. ये आप लोग इसे आप लोग कॉपी पेस्ट कर लेना, क्योंकि इसमें आप लोग को बार-बार कोई रेस करने पड़ेंगे. If you have any more queries for the onboarding process, joining process, I don't have a document, whatever you have query, you just contact with the one Cognizant portal for your any of the query, because they are now able to give you a clarification for some, because you are now a part of the Cognizant team. After receiving offer letter, they are going to hear your query also. Okay, we are looking forward to having you on board and believe that you will be making a successful career in the Cognizant. Okay, so there is a very big update which is coming from the Cognizant team. Finally, they are rolling out all the pending offer letter and joining letter for all the pending candidates in phase manner. So you have to wait for some days, some time for your turn. Okay, so this is the two update which is coming from the Cognizant team. Okay, and if you have more doubt, you can ask in comment section. Please join my Telegram group for more updates. And मिलते हैं शुभ दिन में. Till then, जय हिंद, जय भारत.